3D printing bridges the gap between the amorphous abstract digital realm and the physical concrete real world. When a student holds something in her hands that she designed only a few hours earlier, she sees how the work she does on a computer can have tangible and potentially far-reaching results. Unfortunately, not every school can afford a 3D printer. I aim to change that. Leveraging the flexibility, dependability, and low production costs of 3D printing, I am designing school supplies that can be 3D printed for a fraction of the cost of buying a comparable product. My objective is to help schools save enough money by printing supplies over the course of 1 year to offset the cost of a 3D printer. Using Fusion 360, I have designed ball and stick models, conic section manipulatives, geometric saws, alphabet puzzle tiles, and musical instrument components. In collaboration with my school district, I have introduced a pilot program at an elementary school where teachers and students provide feedback that I use to improve the usability of my models. The surest way to cut costs is to cut out the middleman. Printing supplies in-house also cuts out the manufacturer, subverting the supply chain altogether. Schools only need to cover the cost of materials, which, for FDM 3D printers, can be very cheap. All of my models are designed to be printed in PLA, an incredibly affordable, eco-friendly thermoplastic. One of these trumpet mouthpieces printed in PLA uses just over 25 cents worth of material. A comparable mouthpiece with only marginally superior performance costs at least $60. Instead of spending $720 on a dozen mouthpieces, band directors can print them out for $3. That's $717 saved, more than enough to purchase a 3D printer. By giving modern technology to the innovators of tomorrow, I believe that we can fabricate the future.